Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pidve. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash index and step index. So guys, today I'm back with another strategy for you guys. And inside this video I'm going to explain how you can trade successful on boom 1000 5-minute time frames and with this simple indicator. So guys, I'm going to show you the settings of this indicator first before I explain how it works. On our main chart, we have our moving average, which is the period of 4. We have the shift of 0. We have the method to be exponential. We have apply to close, and we have our color here. So you can choose any color of your choice, but what I use here is green color. Then you can press on done. Then again, you go for another moving average on our main chart, which is the period of 60, our shift of 0, our methods to be simple, and we have apply to what to close. And I choose red as our color here, so you can also choose any color of your choice. Then you press on done. Now let's go into our indicator window 1, where we have our relative strength index. Our relative strength index, which is our powerful strategy that we need, and most especially when it comes to the level area. So we have the period of 1, we have our close, our apply to close, we have 2 as our prism, and we have it in white color here, which is the color of our background. So if you are using black background, so make sure you put this particular color in black color so that it will not affect your strategy. So, and also we have these two different level, which is the 92 and the 8 level. This is two very important level you need to note. Then you can press on done. Then now we have the first moving average, which is the period of 1. We have our shift to be 0, we have our methods to be exponential, and we have apply to close, and we choose black as our color here. You see that? So we choose black, and you can also choose any color of your choice. Then you press on done. Then you move to the second moving average, where we have our periods to be 2, we have our shift to be 0, we have our methods to be exponential, and we have apply to close, and we choose blue as our main color in this particular moving average. Then you can press on done. Then we move to the third moving average, where we have our period of 3, we have our shift to be 0, we have our methods to be exponential. The same settings, you just apply it and make it a different color. So inside this moving average, I'm choosing red as my color here, so you can choose any color of your choice. Then you press on done. Now we have the last moving average, where we have our periods to be 4, we have our shift to be 0, we have our methods to be exponential, and we have apply to close. And I choose green as my color here. Then you can also choose any color of your choice. So by doing this, you will have the same settings the way I have it here on my chart. So I'm going to be making use of 5-minute time frames inside this particular video, and also you can use this strategy on 1-minute time frames, depend on the time frames that is more acceptable by you. So but for me, I'm going to use 5-minute time frames, and what I will be explaining inside this video is how you can trade with this simple strategy. And I always told you guys that these two levels that I showed you before, which is the 92 level and the 8 level, are very important. So this will be our buy zone, our selling zone, and this is boom 1000. If we are going to be selling, it means that we are going to enter our trade on the uptrend and expecting the trade to move on a downtrend. And if we are going to buying, it means we are going to enter on the on a downtrend and expect our trade to move on a uptrend. So inside this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can use this particular strategy, and the only thing you need to do is to make sure that you follow the price of the market. You see, when the price of the market is moving towards a direction which is giving us a red signal, a signal towards our 2 level, this is the right time for us to take this particular trade. This is the right time for us to take this particular trade. So like what I did here, you see this particular area, you see it reached our what, our 92 area here, and it's giving us a entry to what, for a buy zone. So now inside now, if you want to enter your sell entry, you need to enter it at this particular area, and you begin to what, to take your trade on a down trend. You see what happened here? You see currently now still have the entry of that particular area to keep on running on a what, on a profit level. You see this, you see that. So if you take it at this particular area, you are going to be running in a what, in a great profit. So let's check from what we have another more here, and also this indicates another what, another buy signal for us. And when this moving average inside our RSI is moving towards the 8th level, it means that we are looking for an entry to what, for a buy zone. You see what happened here, like what happened exactly here. So we keep on trading like that until we have our full profit. You see what happened here, it respect our 92 level, which is what we are having here. And also same thing happened here. You see what happened here, you keep on taking your what, your profits every time, and you can set up your what, your stop loss or your take profit one on this red moving average, the main chart. And don't forget that anytime we have the red moving average cross above the price level entry, it means we are going to be having a what, a sell entry. Like what happened here, you see the red cross above the what, above the price level. You see what happened here. So it means we are going to be having a what, a downtrend. And also when it fall below, it means we are going to be having a what, is spike entry. So that's exactly what is happened. And same thing happened here. You see we have our signal reaching our 92 level. And what do you expect in the market? The market keep on giving us a what, a downtrend. So this particular strategy is one of the best strategy, and it's exactly what can really help you to make a lot of profits. You see this particular entry, we find an accurate entry at this particular area, and we also find this on this particular. If you miss that particular first one, you are not going to be missing this particular one. So the only thing you just need to do is to wait patient until you have your price reaching that 8th level and 92 level before you can decide what to do next. So let me exactly how some sample that we can still touch in this. Okay, as you can see here, we have another confirmation here. You see this, we have an accurate entry that moved here, and we have a full confirmation here, which gives us a long downtrend in the market. You see it's still keeping up giving us a downtrend. So this strategy is one of the best strategies you can use. And also don't forget, you can also like and comment on this video. And if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another powerful strategy like this. Thanks.